attaching this. So there's this style inspo in my head that I really want to try out so bad, honestly. So stay with me. Let's do this. Hey, my loves, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are fine because me, I'm good, of course. So trust me to get this done. Okay, stay with me. Do not go anywhere because if you move, so I know you all trust me, right? So stay with me. Let's get it done. So let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I just pray this thing comes out good though, because I don't want to waste my time and my energy doing nonsense. Sorry, not nonsense. This style is actually simple, and honestly, I just remember that I have done it before and it looks so beautiful on me. Hopefully, if I see the picture, I'm going to attach it in this video. So it's just like making a cornrow into four, and the other part is just more of a slick back, and you can do anything you want to do with the back, whatever thing you want. You can do sewing, you can do crochet, you can do like clipping, extension or ponytail, whatever thing you want to do with the back. It's all your choice. You can, create whatever thing you want with the back. The main style is just the front. And you guys, please do watch to the end and see how beautiful the hairstyle came out.
She asked me if I had another minute and I didn't have the heart to leave. One day I'll be everything you ever wanted. Until then I'll be out here fighting like it's nothing. Through the cold dark winter, it's feeling like a cold dark winter. It's feeling like a cold dark winter. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun's still behind the trees. Yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I didn't have the heart to leave. Yeah. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun's still behind the trees. Yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I didn't have the heart to leave. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun's still.
At this point, I was just talking to myself. I was like, what? This hair is too long. Like, is this my hair or I added extension? Like, you guys should tell me. Look at that length. Oh my god. My hair is so long. Now I know why people are always complimenting my hair. Anyways, if you want to get a long and healthy hair, keep taking care of yourself and your hair, okay?
Did you wait too long? Tell him that you love him, but he's already gone, darling. Did you make two wrongs? Know that daddy never made a right before, darling.
So first style is like this. What do you guys think? Cute, right? I know. Then second style is attaching this. So let me attach it and see how to look. Okay. Of course, I know that this one will be the best. I know. So this is the final look, and this is exactly what I pictured in my head, and that is what I got. So my loves, how do you see this style? Do you love it? Was it worth the time and the effort? Would you be trying it out? Please do let me know. Bye.